Okay, gotta take off this makeup. I guess that's fine. Good enough. We'll see. I might hate it later. That'd be fun. I love these makeup wipes, but they burn my eyes. They make me cry every time. They make me cry every time I use them. We lived together for probably like a year total. You should know how awkward I am. Yeah. Ow. Okay, I need to get some quality makeup wipes because I'm gonna go blind from these. Oh. They keep burning my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna cry for a second. I need new makeup wipes because these make me cry. That's a problem. Yeah, these are the cheapest ones though. I'll probably, next time I go to the store, I'll buy the nice ones so I don't cry every time I take off my makeup. It's 9:30 at night on a school night.
My birthday's tomorrow.
Her birthday's tomorrow.
Celebrate.
I gotta go wet my beauty blender really quickly. Intro time. Alright. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's the intro.
Peppier, peppier, peppier.
Oh, okay. What's up? I'm gonna do a Halloween look. Yeah. This is my intro. I'm keeping it. Okay, I'm gonna set down those eyelids. I use the e.l.f. Let me state the products I'm using. I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to prime my eyelids. And I use the shade Medium Sand. Wow. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Banana Powder to set them lids down. You just shake a little bit into the cap. Gonna take a little brush and powder those lids so none of that creases. Okay, so come in. Keeping that in. No. Okay, and I'm gonna use today the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. It's so pretty. I love it. We love Jeffree Star and we love Morphe. We love eyeshadows, all of the above. Where's the So every time I do my eyeshadow, I wipe the dirty brushes on this towel so I can keep them dirty longer. I just washed my brushes for the first time in 2 months, so that tells you how I do things. Okay, I'm gonna use the shade Back right here as my transition shade for now. I'm just gonna put it on the brush and blend it with a fluffy blending brush into my crease. And this one's very light, so it almost really doesn't even show up on my skin, but it'll help in the end make everything look better. And then I'm gonna take the shade My. I'm also gonna do the same exact thing with that shade. They're just 2 light pink shades in this palette. They're like baby pinks. And we're putting those all over the crease. Like, not above the crease, honestly, because like the crease is right here and I'm right here. So above the crease, blending that in. Wiping off that brush. Okay, then I'm gonna take this flatter blending brush. It's an e.l.f. brush called Blending Brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Calabasas. It's like right here. Wait, right here. That's really hard to do in the camera. Right here. And I'm going to put it all over the lid. And that's gonna be a nice base color for the rest of the look. So this is how I'm avoiding doing all my homework. You just do your makeup twice in one day.
Is it been 3 times?
No, I've only done it twice today.
Okay.
Okay. Wiping off the excess of that brush onto that towel that I showed earlier, and I'm gonna blend everything up into the crease. I have a lot of fallout right now. I'm gonna wipe it away so I don't look crazy. Now we're gonna just pack on more of that shade, but we're gonna use a denser brush to do that. So I'm gonna take this, I don't know the brand, but it's called Eyeshadow Brush N15. Oh wait, it's on the back. It's worn out, so it's just a brush. It's a little bit denser. It's synthetic haired brush. And I'm going to take the same shade Calabasas and we're going to pack it on the lids again. So this time it's even more noticeable. Like, do you see the difference between this eye, this eye, this eye, this eye? Okay, yeah. I'm taking too long to describe this. I'm gonna need to go to bed by like 11.
No.
I'm probably gonna go to bed at like 2 a.m. because that's what I do every night. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade My again, the light pink shade, and I'm just gonna blend those two together. And then the next step is very, it makes it a lot more dramatic, but we're gonna do it anyway because we're going for the dramatic look. Next, we're gonna take the shade Fast Lane, and we're gonna put it on this tapered blending brush, and we're gonna get it all up in there, and we're gonna pack it on the lid, and it is black, so be careful with it. Don't go above the crease with this shade. We're gonna wipe off the excess from that brush that we just used, and we're going to blend the black shade all out, and it's okay if it blends above the crease. And then we're gonna wipe away the fallout again. Normally when I do my eyeshadow at home alone by myself in my room, I don't wipe away the fallout that much. I just let it build up. But this is going on the internet, so I'm gonna wipe it away a little bit more often. You know? Okay. And we're gonna keep blending that till it looks seamless. And we're gonna keep packing it on so the color stays true to its color. This is definitely crooked. I'm not gonna change it, it's fine. And just, if you're watching us on your phone, just hold your phone a little, you know? Just a little side, it's fine. It's fine. If you look at my tapestry, it looks crooked, but I look normal, I hope. Okay. And then that color is all built up. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the fluffiest blending brush there is right now, and we're gonna take the shade Calabasas again, and we're gonna take that fluffy blending brush, and we're gonna blend around the edges with the shade Calabasas in the black color, and yeah, just so it all blends together nicely. Then next we're gonna take the shade Don't Know Her, and it's this like Barbie, wait, there it is, this Barbie pink color. It's like that. And we're gonna use our finger. I'm going to, y'all aren't doing this. Okay. We're gonna put it on the lid. And this shade I actually don't love yet because it doesn't show up super well. It doesn't show up super well. But it does look pretty, so we're gonna put it on. And okay, and I'm gonna take this same brush we used earlier. I'm going to pick up a lot of it and put it on the lid. I always get fallout on my forehead. Ow. I blend too much and just under my forehead. I don't know. I don't know how it works. I don't know how eyeshadow works. What? Okay, and then we're gonna blend everything together, and then we're gonna go in with the shade that I am most excited about, and it's this silver shade called Custom Rims, right here, Custom Rims. And we're gonna take it on a brush, and you're just gonna put it on the lid from your brush. And like, this shade honestly works so well with a brush. Most shimmer shades only really work well with your finger, but it looks so good with a brush. We're gonna blend this out again so there's nothing that goes up too high, and then you're gonna make sure that if there's any shimmers on the outer part of your lid that you get them off with your blending brush. And then we're gonna put more black on the outside so that way it deepens up the color still more and you don't lose it. It's been getting dark so early and it's throwing me off. And during the winter, yeah, because like I thought it was like 11, 12, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do my makeup for a video this late, and I was like, oh, it's 9:30. Like, it's not even near bedtime. For most people. And then I'm gonna use my finger with the shade just so I can get it to like really pop. Okay. So that's the eyes for now. Then we're gonna just do the whole face foundation and all. And I'm just gonna put moisturizer on first. I'm not gonna worry about primer for today. because it's 9:30 at night, like I said. Don't I? The L'Oreal Infallible. This one. We're gonna use this one in the shade 445 from L'Oreal. L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. There we go. I said it. Now we're doing under eye concealer. We're gonna use the same e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer that I used earlier, because it's the only concealer I own. I was having the problem earlier that this sponge doesn't get into my corners of my eyes. And I don't want to clean the smaller ones that go with it. Okay, I blended out my concealer to the best of my ability at the moment. Now I have, okay, I'm going to powder my face using the Wet n Wild powder that we were using earlier. The Photo Focus Banana powder looks like this. It's really nice. I threw my brush. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a different one. Same brush. This one has duct tape on it though. Powdering my face. Okay, and we're gonna bronze. And I was really dramatic with the bronzer today because I didn't think I was leaving the house. And then I went to the grocery store. But we're gonna bronze. So we're gonna use this Morphe bronzer because it was the only one I could afford at the time. And we're gonna take a bronzing brush and we're gonna just apply it to the face. I always feel like this bronzer looks really muddy, and then I go, Marisa, you can't afford bronzer that doesn't look muddy. And so I wear it anyway. Like, once it's all on my face, it doesn't look as bad, I guess. But it looks worse on camera for sure. But it's okay. It's just what we're doing today. And I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm gonna double bronze because that's what I did earlier today. Because I didn't think again I was leaving the house, and then I left the house to go grocery shopping. I saw like 5 people I knew, but it's okay. I didn't leave the house with black lipstick, and that's coming. So okay, and then I'm gonna take the lighter shade in this and go under my eyes with it for some fun added highlighting effect. Clearly I know how to contour, right? What? And I'm gonna take this Kylie blush in the shade Close to Perfect because I am not. And then we're gonna just blend my face together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye eyeshadow next. I'm gonna take the same palette we've used this whole time. I'm gonna take this little dome shaped blending brush. I'm gonna clean it off, and then I'm gonna take the shade Calabasas on that. I'm gonna put it under my eyes, and then I'm gonna take the shade My again, and I'm gonna just blend out that shade I used before on my under eyes. Yeah, and then we're gonna make sure it's all blended right around here. And then I'm gonna just take the shade Calabasas lightly. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Diamond Dust. And it's called Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And there's a swirl in it. And that's so cute. And we're going to take it on a highlighting brush and we're going to highlight with it because it's iridescent. And it looks really cool. You can kind of see on camera. Okay, so I also have a cheaper option. Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and I don't know the shade names because the shade names come off easily on these. But I will just do a little swatch for, you can't see it. Iridescent stuff does not show up well on camera. Yeah. This one's a lot more dramatic than the other one. Alright, so this is my highlighter. Now I just have to put on some mascara, and I just got this. Like, I haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Now we're going to put on this black lipstick from Wet n Wild. And you have to be very careful when you apply this, because if you go outside the lines of your lips, you will mess up. Now we've got the black lipstick on, the dramatic eye look, and the iridescent highlighter. And yeah, I just think this would be really cute for like Halloween, like a party. I might put on eyeliner really quickly just so I can really pizzazz this look up. It's not, this is still like an everyday look. Normally I would put it in my waterline too, but I think I left my eyeliner in a different city, so it's there now.
I think you should put on false lashes.
Okay.
It would look so good.
We're gonna try the false lashes now, apparently.
The video's not over.
The video is not over. 42 minutes of footage. Footage. I haven't done this in literal months. Oh wow. I feel like I look like Yzma. You know? Alright, so this is the completed look. I forgot to put the ones on my bottom lashes. So maybe I should try that. No, that's too much work. It's too much work.
Do it.
It's too...
Do it.
Okay, I'm wearing a full face of makeup and I'm about to take it off and go to bed. But let's put on these tiny little bits of eyelashes instead. Okay, this is gonna be the video. I can't, Kara. Where'd you go? Are you under my bed?
No.
What?
What?
She's under my bed! Okay, my eyes are about to burn, so I'm gonna go. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this video. No, subscribe to this channel. I'm crying. Subscribe to this channel for more content every 2 months or so, whenever I have time and willpower and quality content to post. And I can't, my eyes. I'm taking these off. Ah, okay. I feel so much better. That's it. So, peace.
Uh-oh, here we go.
We sent him kisses. I didn't know I would move in with his missus. What? Get a life. You were living with his wife. Like, what was I meant to do? That's it.
That's what we're leaving you with.
Bye.
I'm gonna back out now because I know you're gonna leave this in now and I'm really excited about it.
This is Halloween, pumpkin scream in the dead